What I wish I knew at kickoff instead of the final whistle. This match was an absolute roller coaster. From the first whistle, Brazil came out swinging. Within minutes, we saw an incredible display of skill as Neymar danced through defenders like they were standing still. And then, boom! A stunning goal that had the crowd roaring. But Colombia wasn't about to back down. Their counterattacks were fast and fierce, with James Rodriguez pulling the strings in midfield. The tension was electric as Colombia struck back with a jaw-dropping equalizer that left everyone stunned. And just when you thought it couldn't get any crazier, the drama hit a new peak in the final minutes. A last-ditch effort by Brazil saw an unbelievable save by the Colombian keeper, keeping their hopes alive. You could feel every heartbeat in the stadium. In the end, it was a match for the ages, filled with unforgettable moments and sheer excitement. If you missed it, make sure to catch the highlights on at youtube.com/@NOUWAT. This is football at its finest. Don't miss out. Subscribe now for more epic moments.